Here at the second question in the July challenge, binary tree level order traversal 2. Somehow the first attempt got deleted, the recording did not save, so we're just gonna go with the recap, and from next solution I'm gonna make sure that the recording stays somehow. I'm not sure. I can't repeat the first attempt because it won't be genuine and I don't want to do that. All right, cool. So we are given a binary tree, and in Python we are given it in the form of the root node, which has a left and the right child, and we need to do a level-wise level-wise returning of all the childs. So the way we did our first attempt was so this is for a corner case. If the root node is itself none, then we just return an empty list. Otherwise, what we do is we have an answer which is going to contain our final answer. The sub answer is for each level, uh, for each height, the all the leaves, sorry, all the nodes in that particular height. We make a queue from DQ, which is part of the collections library. We set the height for the root node as 0, so we change this object and we add a edge attribute which reflects the height, set it as 0, add it to the left end of the queue. While the queue is not empty, we keep popping elements from the right and adding them on the left. Now, this first part is so if sub answer exists, so if it doesn't exist, then just go on. If it exists, and if the last element's height is not equal to the current popped element's height, then we need to do something. So what happened is that we popped an element whose height was not same as the last element that we had, which means that we've moved to a different level, and now we need to change the sublist bit in our actual answer. So what we're going to do is, so this sub answered, the list has the references of the nodes, while answer needs to have the actual values. So, and the reason we have references and not values is because we also need to check height, and we can't check height with just the values. All right, cool. So when we're done with this sublist, what we do is we do an answer.insert, and within this list operation, we do a loop. So in the beginning of this answer, because we want it, so the way they've specified it is the last level should come at the beginning of our list of lists. So we, in the starting of this answer, we're gonna append all the all the values of the nodes in sub answer, and we're gonna empty the sub answer. And regardless of whether or not it has been emptied recently, we add the current element to sub answer. Alright, what we do next is very simple. So we check whether the left node or the right node exists. If they exist, then we set the height of that node as 1 plus the height of the parent node, which is just popped, and also append them to the queue. So this is going to keep going. This is just a plain simple BFS. At the end, we would have sub answer. This check is a little redundant. We can even remove it and it should work just fine, because at the end we're definitely going to have all the elements which came at the last because we did not empty them. Right. So we're going to insert all those elements to the answer and we're going to return the answer. We're just going to submit it once more to check if all was, oh, yeah, done. Cool. So thanks a lot. See you.